In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add users in Zoho CRM. We'll cover two straightforward methods, adding a single user manually and importing multiple users in bulk. Follow along and you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep access organized and secure. Start by opening Zoho CRM and signing in with administrator privileges. Only admins can add or manage users. In the top right corner, click the Setup gear icon. From there, go to General, then select Users. This Users page is your control center for inviting people and setting what they can do inside the system. To add someone individually, click the Add New User button. Enter the essentials, first name, last name, and a valid email address they actively use. Then assign a role and a profile. Role defines where the person sits in your CRM hierarchy, who can see whose data, while profile determines permissions, like whether they can view, create, or edit records. Take a moment to choose carefully so the access matches the person's responsibilities. When you are done, click Save. Zoho CRM immediately sends an email invitation. So let the person know to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, they'll be ready to log in with the access you set. If you are onboarding a larger group, use the bulk import. From Setup, return to General, then Users. Open the drop-down next to the New User button and select Import Users. Upload your file, CSV, XLS, and similar formats are supported. For best results, download the sample file from the Zoho Import Users page and mirror its structure, especially column headers. During the upload, you'll map the columns in your file to the matching CRM fields. For example, map your email column to the email field in CRM. Take a moment to confirm each mapping so names, emails, and other details land in the right place. Click Next to finish the import. A quick but important note: users added through the import are not invited automatically. After the import completes, go to the users list and manually click the Reinvite button for each person to send their access link. This ensures invitations only go out when you are ready. Use the manual method for one-off additions, and the import method when you are adding up to 1-0 people at once. With these two approaches, you'll keep your team organized and your permissions aligned with your business setup. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.